Alrighty, so to purchase this tool right here, what you're going to go ahead and do is click on the link in the description or the pinned comment of this video. Alrighty, yes, once you click on that, it'll take you to this page right here. Alright, and these are the price plans right here. Alright, most people come in at this price plan, and you can look all through here, okay, and see all the proof and testimonies and kind of get a little idea of what we just went over, how this tool works, and and things like that. Okay. And I tell you, man, this tool is very valuable. It will definitely save you a lot of time. It'll save you a lot of money as well. Having to pay people to run your Facebook account, that's just too risky. That's quite a bit of money. Why not let technology do it for you? Okay, with a very affordable price. Not to mention this is a tax deduction write-off, because if you're a 1099, meaning a business owner, okay, you're going to be getting this back during tax season. So definitely shouldn't be a problem to spend that right there. Like I said, most people come in at this plan, just come in wherever your budget is at. So let's say you were to click there, because right here you're going to get all of the features and things like that. Alrighty, that's the plan that you can choose, and you can try this out for 3 days. So all you're gonna do is pay $1 today, and you can try this full thing out for 3 days. Okay, and if you like it, you just keep it, and you pay $47 after that. Okay, or wherever amount your budget sees fit, and things like that. All right. So you have any questions? Go ahead and either comment below this video, or most preferably, reach out to me on Facebook. Or you have any questions about this, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Other than that, not only will you see you at the top, we'll see you at the bank and at your beach. God bless.